Hello everyone, this is Fazlur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you are enjoying my project videos. Today I brought you a project on blockchain technology in cloud computing domain. Basically everywhere nowadays what is happening is nothing but we will share the our personal images in social media platforms, social networking sites, but there is no security, there is no privacy. Okay, so what we are trying to implement in this project is nothing but using blockchain technology, we are going to provide security to the images. Okay, let me tell you what are the technologies which we are using in this project. For front-end development, we have used HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. For backend development, we are using Python programming along with the Django framework, which is the topmost framework in Python for developing web applications. For database, we are using MySQL right now, but this project is tested in real-time AWS cloud architecture as well. In case if your requirement is AWS, let me know that. So let us see the project execution step by step. For executing the project, there are three different types of users are interacting with this project. One is the administrator, second is the user, and third is the data owner. For better flow of the project, I will open these three users in three different tabs. So let us assume the first tab is for admin and the second for data owner, and the third tab I will open for the user. Let's try to go to data owner and try to register a data owner here. Email ID, mobile number, location, password, registration is successful. Now let's try to log in. The information from the server is account authorization pending. So the point here is nothing but administrator has to authorize this account for the data owner. Let's go to administrator and try to authorize this account. This is the admin login page. Let me log in with the admin credentials. Now the admin login is successful. This is dashboard kind of user interface which we have created for administrator, where we can see some information like total number of users, how many are there, data owners, how many are there, how many data files have been uploaded, and how many requests are there. Okay, total 5 requests are there. And let's go to view data owner directly, and we can see there is a user here whose account is in pending state. Okay, now let's try to accept this user account, and the account is accepted. Let's try to go to data owner and log in now. Let's see whether it allows me to perform login or not. Now you can see the login is successful. This is the dashboard of the data owner. Okay, let's go to upload files and try to upload a new file here. I'll give the file ID as 105, file image as, let's say, my pic tags, let's say wedding. Let's select the file. And upload. You can see the file is uploaded successfully. And if I go to view uploads here, I'll find here my file available. Now, if some other user, normal user, if they need this file, if they want to access this file, they will send me a request. And on a secure channel, I will provide them a secure key. By using that secure key, they will be able to download that file. So that request will appear here. Right now, we don't have any request. You can see the profile as well. If I want, I can update any information from here. Now let's go to user and try to register a new user, and we will send some requests from this user. Password, confirm password. Registration is successful, and let's try to log in here. The same case, it will not allow us to log in. You can see account authorization pending. The message is coming from the server. Let's go to administrator and again try to authorize this user account. So both data owner and data user are dependent totally on the administrator for their account activation. Admin here, now view users. If we go, we can see a user is having the account in pending state. Let's try to accept this user account. Now, if we go to user and if we try to log in now, it should perform the login. Login is successful. And if you go to view images, we can see all the images here. If you want, we can do some search also here. And if in some case user tries to access the image file by right clicking it and clicking the option save image as, but when I right click on this image, you can see we have disabled right click on this page. Okay, right click is disabled on this page. Cannot, okay, right click and save the file. Now let's try to send a request. Request sent successfully to the data owner, respective data owner, this fifth data owner ID, the request will be sent. And I can see the status here in view status, it is in pending state still. Let's go to data owner now. If I go to view request, I will find a new request from this, okay, user, and the status is pending. Let's try to generate the key here by accepting this request. Now you can see the request is accepted and some sort of key is generated randomly. Let's go to user, and if we refresh here, we will be able to see the key. Now we can verify this image from the blockchain network, whether it is verified successfully or not using the blockchain network. Let's click on the verify. And now you can see this is a valid image. Okay, this is a valid image. We are getting the message from the blockchain server, and all the blocks are displayed here. Hashed data is displayed. Blockchain data is verified here. We can download this file, and the download is successful. Let's try to see whether the file is available or not. Here is the file, the downloaded file. Now, let's go back to view images. Let's try to tamper some data of this file in the database. And here is the owner uploads. So I will try to modify some data here for the image file. I'm saying my pics now. Okay, some data is modified here on the network. Let's try to download this file from the view status. Okay. Now you can see the information here. This image has been tampered. Okay, the image has been tampered. Request already sent for this image. We have already sent the request, which is not possible to send it. So let's do one thing here. From the data owner, we will upload another file. File ID, let's say 106, and the file name is nothing but laptop. My laptop pic. Let's select the image. Now, let's upload this file. Upload it successfully. Let's go to user and view images. You can see the file is available here. Request to download. The request is sent. Let's go to data owner, view request, and there is a request for this file. Let's try to accept this. Now, let's go to view status. We have got the key. Let's try to modify in between. Suppose, okay, in between the request and responses of the data owner and data user, suppose some data has been tampered in the network. Let's see what will happen. I will try to modify this record in the database. This is my file, my laptop. Just I'll change here laptops. Just okay. Yes, I'm adding here to the laptop. Let's see now. I'm saying here, I'll click on verify. I'm getting a message here, this image has been tampered, which means the blockchain network is saying that there is a change in the data. Okay, this image has been tampered. We are getting the message. So this is a project idea where we are trying to provide some sort of security to the images in the blockchain network in cloud. Hope you have understood it very well. In the administrator, let's see what is there left behind. View request, we can see here all the requests and responses of the users. That's it. So this was the complete project explanation and execution. Hope you have understood it very clearly. If you're not getting anything about the project explanation and execution, you can contact me directly to the number given. You can ping me on WhatsApp as well. With this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.